In this video, I will guide you on how to delete rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. Here, I have a table of employee list, but in this table, there are rows and columns that do not contain data, and here I will demonstrate the methods to delete these rows and columns. The first method for these columns, hold the Ctrl key and then click to select the columns to delete. Right-click on the column header, then choose Delete. Richard Finn, search up Ellie. Next, to delete rows and columns that do not contain data, you do as follows. For rows, select the range of data containing the rows you need to delete. In the Home tab, under Find and Select, choose Go to Special. The Go to Special window will appear. Check the blank option, then click OK. At this point, Excel will automatically select the rows without data. Next, under Delete in the Home tab, choose Delete Sheet Rows, thus the rows will be deleted from the table. For empty columns, you do the same. Select the range of data containing the empty columns, then choose Go to Special under Find and Select. Select Blank, and then press OK. Next, under Delete, choose Delete Sheet Columns. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below, or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.